In this video, we will explain the information reported in the Aggregate Employer Report. But first, let's take a look to see where the Aggregate Report fits into the Connected Mind screening process and how the data may be used to develop and improve the mental health programs and resources in your company. Connected Mind is a mental health screening tool which screens for the 6 most common connected mental health conditions and suicide risk. Your employees take a private Connected Mind screening using their own device, and the results are instantly and securely available to them. Scores from the individual screenings are anonymously aggregated and reported on the Aggregate Employer Report. The Aggregate Report provides mental health leaders and champions with the information to evaluate, refine, and propose mental health resources based on the population's needs. Employees are encouraged to make use of the resources to restore and maintain mental health. Re-screenings are recommended every 3 months. Let's go through the information on the Aggregate Employer Report. The header displays the title of the report, the number of completed screenings, and the report date range. Please note that at least 10 screenings must be present to run the Aggregate Report, ensuring anonymity. The first 6 cards show the aggregate results corresponding to each mental health condition in the screening. Let's take a look at the depression card. Min and max correspond to the min and max scores analyzed. The gas gauge is a visual representation of the average score and severity for depression. The average score is a quick look into the severity of depression within your population. In this example, it is moderate. Below the gas gauge is the legend for severity, along with the distribution of scores within each severity category. While the average is moderate depression, note that 62% of the scores were moderate and higher. The severity distribution is critically important to review and understand. Depression, anxiety, ADHD, substance use disorder, and somatic symptom disorder report severity, whereas bipolar disorder reports whether the criteria was met or not met. The final card is suicide risk. You will see min and max scores reported, a gas gauge showing the average risk, and a legend showing the distribution of scores within each risk level. The suicide risk levels are as follows: normal for no thoughts of death, low for suicidal ideation, medium for suicidal risks, and high for plan and/or intent to harm oneself. We hope this video helps you understand how the information in the Aggregate Employer Report can help you as leaders and champions to create and develop effective mental health programming based on your company's mental health needs.